Oh, good morning. I'm doing several tutorials today, actually two, collard greens and candy yams. So this is the yams that I've cut up there. It's about 4 big sweet potato, call them yams, but they're sweet potatoes. And they're about 1/4 of an inch. I don't even think it's a 1/2 inch thick. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make my glazing to make it candy jam. So I'm going to stick a whole stick of butter, and I'm going to use a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and a cup of pineapple juice. And I'm going to let that marry together and melt down, mix it, and I'm going to add in a 1/2 bag of this marshmallow, and I'm going to pour it over the yams, which I will come back and show you, and before I put it in the oven. Stay tuned. Okay, so here I am back again, and this is the glazing, and this is how it looks. And I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to pour it over the yams. The yams are raw, and the reason why they're raw is because they're fresh. Some people use canned yams. I do not. I like to make them fresh. So after I pour the glazing on, I usually put foil paper over the top of it, seal it, and put it in the oven at 375 degrees, probably for about 30 to 40 minutes until the yams are cooked all the way through. And all this glazing and stuff from the steam from being covered will create like a nice liquid that will cook the yams and give it a nice glaze. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw the rest of my marshmallows over top of my yams, and I'm going to seal the pan with foil paper and put it in the oven to bake. Stay tuned for the finished results. Very easy. Okay, so fresh out the oven, here's the candy yam, and it's all done, and beautiful glazing. See, it's nice and thick, and the potatoes are cooked, so a fork can go right through it, and that's how you know it's done. Yep, that's easy, very easy candied jams from scratch. No can. Tastes really delicious. My family goes bonkers over it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you try it. For my Jamaicans who are not used to probably eating this, try the recipe. Sorry for that. Try the recipe. It's really good. And for my Americans who love to eat this, or any other culture, just try the recipe. It's very tasty. Have a good one.